everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the much awaited, much requested video of my hair. No, baby. Okay, let's scratch that. So many of you have been asking me questions about my natural hair. So without further ado, here's the video. Let's get into it. First things first, I have a braid out that I twisted at the end, and so I'm just gonna be taking my hair down and chit-chatting with you. I washed my hair about 2 weeks ago, then I blow dried it and I did a braid out, and I usually roll the ends. This is my go-to style. A lot of you already know I am a mom of two. My first baby boy, as you can see, he's walking around. My first baby boy was born July 20th, 2019. My second one was born January 2nd, 2021. So I almost had my boys back to back. You know, well, they were back to back, but I almost had one in 2019 and then 2020. So with that being said, I've been pretty busy and I have not had as much time as I would like to take care of my natural hair. I also just recently graduated from medical school. Starting third year off, I was like, you know what? I really want to take care of my hair. I want to do a better job. Because I feel like during first and second year of medical school, I was doing the bare minimum for my hair because I just did not have the time. So going into third year, I was like, you know what? I'm going to start wearing wigs. What? Yes. I started wearing wigs. Some people are like, oh, you wear wigs? You don't cover all that pretty hair? I'm like, yeah, are you going to come help me with all this pretty hair? But no, y'all, honestly, I started wearing wigs and that has been the best thing I could have done for my natural hair. I don't just wear wigs and just forget about my hair. I wear my wigs, I keep my hair moisturized underneath. When I wear my wigs, I usually braid my hair underneath. I don't do cornrows because I don't know how to do cornrows. If I knew how to do cornrows, I would. I usually just braid my hair. I moisturize with Shea Moisture, the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I mix that with the Melanin Hair Care. And that's it. Hey, mommy doesn't want that. That's a dinosaur. So in addition to wearing wigs, I also started using a new shampoo. I use ketoconazole. I have really bad dandruff. Well, I had really bad dandruff. I started using ketoconazole. I get that prescribed from my dermatologist and it has helped a lot. It keeps my scalp clean, so I think that has also contributed to the health of my hair, just having a healthy, clean scalp. Also started using a new deep conditioner. I used the TGIN. I forget the name of it, but I'll put a picture up for you guys. I just know it's pink and I get it from Ulta. And another thing, I also use Blue Magic. I started using Blue Magic. Yes, your girl uses grease now. One day, the boys were asleep and I was like, okay, I got time to do my hair. I'm gonna go in the cabinet, see if I can have some castor oil. Did not have castor oil. I seen the grease. Don't know when I bought the grease, why I bought the grease, but I used it. And I've been using it ever since. And it gives my hair a nice shine to it. Like, as you can see, I don't put it on my scalp at all, but I know that grease is the best for your hair, but it's been working for me. It really has. So what else? I still take my vitamins that I took when I was pregnant. Might as well. I still need the nutrients. Maybe Eddie is only 5 months. So I still take my prenatal vitamins. I take vitamin D and I take iron tablet. And I'm probably going to keep taking those vitamins for, I don't know how long. I guess until I'm tired of taking vitamins. I remember back in the day, I really wanted to grow my hair. I always wanted waist length hair, and I'm actually almost there, y'all. I am almost to waist length. I'm at bra strap right now, but I always wanted to grow my natural hair, and I watched so many videos. I spent money on so many products, and it did not work. The thing is low manipulation and protective styles. But while your hair is in protective styles, make sure you moisturize it and keep your scalp healthy. That's the biggest thing. Now that we have that out the way, what Shay's been doing with her natural hair, I wanted to do something fun. I have like a little bit of a Q&A. Want to sit in my lap? So here we go. Look at them. Hey. While I get the questions together. I posted on our story, what would you ask if we were having coffee together? I love coffee, by the way. For the first question, it says, how does it feel to have accomplished both your dreams? Girl, it feels awesome. It feels great. I think you're meaning the dream of becoming a doctor and having my 2 boys. I don't know. But becoming a doctor and becoming a mom, they feel awesome. There's so much more I still want to do. So yeah, it feels great. It feels empowering. That's the key. That's the thing. Look, Baby Travis got me playing with his little toy. That's the thing. I feel empowered. I feel empowered to have my degree. But anyways, I love that question. That was nice. The next question. So when should we expect to see y'all on a big screen? The reverse Cosby before the scandal. Anytime. We're coming to a TV near you. You never know when we may show up on your screen, okay? That's a key question. Okay, next question. Will you guys have any more kids? Try for a girl. A lot of people ask us this question. A lot of people. A lot. We got this question a lot. Yes, we are gonna have more kids. Try for a girl. I don't know. Like, I don't think we're gonna just try for a particular sex. We just want to have at least one more. Ideally, we'll have 2 more, but at least 1 more. And boy or girl, it doesn't matter. If I can have a tribe of boys, that'll be great. And if I have a little girl, that'll be awesome too. It's just that if I have a little girl, I have to do a lot of shopping. All right, next question. What's your favorite thing about being a parent and the most challenging thing? This is a difficult question. So my favorite thing about being a parent, I guess just watching them grow and seeing their development each and every day. As some of you may know, baby Travis was born at 28 weeks and he is flourishing now. He's just awesome. Baby Eddie, he's growing and looking more and more like his daddy every day. Baby Travis does too though, so hey, both of them look like their dad. Something is new about them every single day. Oh, and while it's on my mind, I did have some postpartum shedding and it's starting to grow back. As you can see, it's up in this area. At first it was literally just bald. You can see it on one of the vlogs, but yeah, it's starting to grow back. And the next question, who's funnier and sillier out of the 2 of you? Travis is probably funnier and I'm definitely sillier. So yeah, I like that question. I like a good laugh. I wouldn't call Travis silly at all. Like he's not the silly type. What's the funniest moment you 2 have shared together? Oh girl, ooh. We have had a lot of funny moments. I don't want to embarrass him because he's not here. So I don't want to just put him out there when he's like, oh no, you said that. I'll keep it on surface. I'll tell y'all about this one time we were in Jackson. This is when we lived in Jackson, Mississippi. We had a really big comforter and we needed to wash it. And I was like, you know what? Let's just go to the washateria to wash our comforter. And we put the comforter in the wash. We went across the street. And to get across the street, you have to go down this hill. So instead of driving, we were like, yeah, let's just go take a walk. And Travis had on some Sperry's, and you know Sperry's, they don't have a really good grip at the bottom. So he had on his Sperry's, we were going down the hill, and he literally just slid. He slid down the entire hill. Oh, that was hilarious. Since having children, how do you keep the fire burning in your marriage? Ooh, spicy. So how do we keep the fire burning? We got this question a lot too. In so many different words. Alright, before I answer that question, I'm going to show you my hair. Oh, I forgot a roller. Oh, I didn't realize there was one more left. Oh, this is my go-to style. Has a lot of volume. I love this style. And this will probably last for about, if I just put it in a pineapple when I go to sleep, it'll last for about, I'll make it last for about a week most times, honestly. It don't usually look this lustrous, but I make it last. All right, so back to the question. I'm gonna read it one more time. How do you guys keep, since having children, how do you keep the fire burning in your marriage? So I guess this is a more involved question. It requires a lot of thought. We honestly have been on a journey together. Before we had children, there have been other times in our marriage where we were super busy and really crunched for time. We just did not have as much time as we wanted to spend with each other. So having children, it just kind of added to a busy life that we've already had. Oh, real quick. So the question earlier, it says, what's your favorite thing about being a parent and the most challenging? Time management. That's the time management is the most challenging. So back to what I was saying about keeping the fire burning. We've been together, married for about 11 years. We've been dating for a total of probably about 18 years. So we've been in this thing for a while now. You know, before we got married, we went through marriage counseling with our pastor. We also went to marriage conferences, and during counseling and during the conferences, our pastor really emphasized intimacy and how important it is to a marriage. So we came into our marriage knowing how important God has placed intimacy in marriage. That keeps it burning for us. It is busy having 2 children, but they're little and they go to bed, you know, and then usually sometimes we are extremely tired, but we make time for one another. And I also think it helps to be in love, like to actually be in love with your spouse and still attracted to him. I keep myself up, he keeps himself up, so I think he looks handsome, he thinks I look cute. So, you know, things like that. But yeah, so I guess just, you know, having that teaching before marriage, and also just keeping the relationship and the love fresh while we're still married. And yeah, and that's how we keep it burning. So anyways, guys, this has been, I hope it wasn't all over the place, because baby Trav, he's finally quiet now. I guess he's listening. Maybe he's taking notes. Travis, you taking notes? He said he's taking notes. No, he just said, oh. That's the video. This is my hair. Oh, I can do a length check for you guys really quickly. Some of them are kind of different lengths. My bra is right here. The front is a little shorter. It's not all the same length all over, but that's okay. I don't really wear my hair straightened out. I hope that you guys were able to take some information from this video and find it useful for your hair journey. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, share the video, like, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram. And until then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, you want to sit in my, oh, he wants to sit in my lap. Wait, it's a little blurry. Hold on. Bye-bye. Yeah. All right, let me grab Eddie. Let's go get Eddie. You want to say bye? No, this is Travis's whole face. He got the nose and everything. Yeah, I look just like my daddy. I look like my daddy-o, my daddy-o. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.